Hey guys, down in the shop here, like a hermit. I need a shave, haircut, shave, lose about 100 pounds. Going over my folks to eat some ham and mashed potatoes and corn. Oh yeah, can't get any better than this, baby. Just wanted to give you a little. I'm kind of feeling. I'm reminiscing down here. I got the both Ender 3s going. Good old reliable. I'm never gonna get rid of. I'm not gonna get rid of any of my printers ever. I don't think. Just in case, because like my K2 Plus is down right now. They're sending me parts. Thank goodness. Even though I'm out of warranty. But hopefully that'll get me going. And I ordered a brand new K2 Plus because I need to have kind of one on the side just in case, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully I made a good decision with the K2 Plus. It runs really good. This is the first time that I had problems with it. Freak accident. The extrusion, the filament came out where it shouldn't have. I don't know, maybe going in and out with the filament, a little piece broke off, and it was like right in the beginning of where the filament's supposed to go into the extruder, and it actually started pushing it where it shouldn't go, and it kind of ruined some stuff. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. But yeah, Creality's sending me the parts to fix it, and I'm down here kind of calibrating my guys. I have some prints that I want to test out. I'm working on the kind of like a part 2 to these guys. Those are the action figure stands. The one I'm working on is so that way you could put like a card back in there, like you know how we always used to open them up when we were kids. We would quick, you got to take them out of the plastic bubble. You got to release them. And yeah, so now I have this idea in my head that to have something like this, you know, that you could kind of have that there and the guy standing on it with the original card back behind it. I think that'll be really cool. And it looks like I'm going to have to make it for all different you know, you got the little Jawa, you got the little Yoda, you got the IG-11 and 88 that are like bigger. So I got a couple sizes that I need to make. But I'm prototyping version 2 of the one. Right now I'm kind of, yeah, I'm doing the TVC, the vintage collection ones first because that's the easiest. And then I'm going to do the Kenner originals because they're different. They have like a double thing going around them. That, you know, that chrome original Star Wars kind of thing like this. You have your Star Wars, and then the continuation of the wording goes around the card. Well, the original ones I believe have two rings. Like this is what I'm calling the ring. So the new ones should meet up with the cards as far as thickness, where these are just kind of whatever I felt like at the time. But now I'm using a card back and getting the dimensions and trying to get it right. So that way when you slip in the card back, that everything should look perfect with it. So haven't did a video in a while, and I thought I'd say hi. So hi, Merry Christmas, and yeah, have a good Happy New Year's. Peace out from Whitey's Wicked Workshop. Oh!